I'm going to show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain into your WordPress. So to get started, make sure you log into your WordPress account, and then make sure you go to your GoDaddy account, and then make sure you copy your domain into your GoDaddy. So to do that, all you have to do is just go to godaddy.com and then sign into your account, and then go into domain and then copy your domain address. And then from here, you have to go to WordPress and then click on upgrades right here, and then you will have an option to click on domain. So once you're there, you just have to wait, and then it will redirect you to the next page. And from here, all you have to do is just click on add new domain, and then you will be again redirected to the add domain section. So from here, you just have to input your domain address, which you had copied into your GoDaddy. So from GoDaddy, you just have to copy your domain address and then paste it right here. And once you search it, all you have to do is just click on this one right here, bring it to here, make sure you're already on this one. So from here, make sure you just have to wait, and then you just have to select a option. Either you have to transfer your domain or you can connect your domain. Since you want to connect your domain, we just have to select the connect your domain right here. And then once you select a connect your domain, you will be now redirected to the checkout page, which you have to pay for you to connect your GoDaddy domain into your WordPress. So from here, make sure you fill up all necessary informations and details, and then once you're done with that, you just have to pay the necessary price for you to connect your GoDaddy domain into your WordPress. So from here, that's pretty much it. That's how to connect your GoDaddy domain into your WordPress.